Hi everyone, welcome back. In previous videos I talked about multiplication and division having equal power. So they are equal power, they're not stronger than each other. You do times as often as you do divide, they're just equal in strength. And addition and subtraction are also equal in power. But what happens when we introduce the whole new concept of brackets? What does that do to it? Brackets always come first before we do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So if you look at this question up here, it says, I like to talk about me. It says me, do this first. Try to make it a bit of fun and help it to click in your brain that you remember me going, me, do me first. 2 plus 3 is 5. So if you're writing it extra working out, you can put the 5 there. So all of that just becomes a 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20. Some people prefer just to write the 5 there to remind themselves, then they just go 5 fours are 20. A lot of people will just do that all in their head. So you could do this one in your head, but let's go the careful way. Me, the brackets first, 10 take 2 is an 8, and then we're left with a divide by 4. So all of this becomes an 8, so you do the 8 first, then you can go 8 divided by 4 is 2. If you wanted to, 10 minus 2 is 8. There will be math teachers out there that will demand that you write down the extra line of working out. 8 divided by 4 is then just the 2. So you could do it in your head if you were confident with it. So this one here, a little bit of a different twist. Instead of putting the times at the back, I've put the multiplication, the times at the front. So the brackets are me, do me first, do this first. And I have 4 take 3 is just 1. So I could have written the 1 there if I wanted to, and 5 ones are 5. Last one, without going too complicated, 2 lots of brackets. Me first, no, me first. So you can look at both lots and say, what am I going to do first? Well, this one ends up being a 5, and this one ends up being a 3, because 2 plus 3 is 5, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we can do the multiplication, and we have 5 3s are 15. I hope it helps. If it's helping, please just let your friends know.